some point were you asked to assist the same agency in photographing a suspect named Jose Ibarra?
Yes.
Can you tell the court what day and time were you asked to do that, and where were you and what did you do?
That would have been the 23rd, and it was approximately 9 p.m. when I arrived at the police department.
Which police department?
The Athens-Clarke County Police Department.
May I approach the witness, Your Honor?
Yes.
I am handing you what's been marked for identification purposes as State's Exhibits 93 through 115. I ask you to take a look at those photos. I ask you a series of questions. Do you recognize 93 through 115?
Yes.
What are they?
They're photographs of Mr. Ibarra.
Did those photographs fairly and accurately depict him as you saw him on February 23rd of 2024?
Yes.
State would move to admit 93 through 115.
No objection.
93 through 115 are admitted.
And may I request permission to publish?
Aye.
May I approach to retrieve?
Yes.
First of all, the person that you photographed that day, do you see him in the courtroom today?
I do.
Could you please point to him and describe an article of clothing that he's wearing for the record?
He's wearing a plaid shirt.
May the record reflect the witnesses identified the defendant. When you photographed him that day, about how close did you get to him?
Pretty close because I had to take close-up photographs of injuries that were on his body.
Okay, and did you observe injuries on his body?
Yes.
And did you photograph those injuries?
I did.
And the time that you saw him, that day, is he heavier or lighter than he is today as far as weight?
When I photographed him, he was heavier.
Publishing State's Exhibit 93, tell us what that depicts.
It's an overall photograph.
State's 94, and it might be really hard to see, but maybe not. What does that depict?
An overall photograph of his hands.
Okay. And did you observe or photograph any injuries to his hands?
I did.
In general, just show us where they were, and then I'll try to get the close-up photos. Okay, so you're on the left hand for the record?
Yes.
Okay. And you pointed to the wrist area?
Yes.
Left pinky finger?
Yes.
Okay.
And I believe I photographed this one as well.
Right middle finger?
Yes.
So, State's 95. That could be hard to see. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, show us that injury. Show a few more, please. State's 100.
That's the wrist, left wrist.
State's 98.
Left pinky.
Whose scale is that?
Mine.
That's 96. State's 96.
Oh yeah, that would have been the, I think the left middle finger from the previous photo.
All right. State's 101.
So now we're on the right hand.
102.
There's a small, well, looks like a scratch.
Okay, in the middle of State's 102.
Yeah, on the middle finger.
State's 103.
Photographing the other side of the hand.
104.
Overall of the inner forearms, forearms.
105.
A scratch on the forearm.
Can you show that to the, or is that where your sticker is?
Yeah.
Your scale?
Yes.
Okay.
I try to put the scale close to the injury.
And is that his right side or his left side?
I believe that's the left side.
What I need
Yes, because it would be here.
All right. That's the left side?
Yes.
State's 106.
as an overall of his upper body.
States 107.
An overall of the back, and there's something here
Okay, when you say something, where are you pointing?
in the middle.
And did you observe an injury there?
Yes.
And did you photograph that?
Yes.
States 108. Is that where your scale is the injury that you observed?
Yes.
And the photograph? I might need to hand these back to you if you can't tell what they
Okay.
are. So you let me know, okay?
Okay.
States 114.
That's the left side of the neck.
And what did you observe to the left side of his neck?
A scratch.
All right, and is that, you just point to it for the record, above the necklace but below the ear?
Yes.
States 115.
That's the same injury with a scale.
And what side of your scale is that injury for the record? In the middle of the photograph to the right side of the scale?
Yes.
States 112.
That would be the right side of the front neck.
What did you observe there? Okay, you
Looked like it
pointed.
was a scratch.
Okay, in the middle of the photo? States 113.
Same scratch with a scale.
These are the ones I think I'm gonna have to come and hand back to you. May I
Okay.
approach the witness?
Yes.
I'm not sure you'll be able to tell based on what I put them up, or the way that I put them up. It's probably easier to see. What part of the body is that?
This looks like it's the back. 109 looks like it's a close-up of the back,
Okay,
the mark that was on the back. And then 110 would be the right elbow area. And then 111 is a close-up of that.
may I approach to retrieve?
Yes. I'll tell you what, going forward, both prosecution and defense can move around freely. You don't have to ask. I know you're trying, that's gonna be a hard habit to break.
It will, but I will do my best, Your Honor.
That's okay.
You may
I was
have,
just trying to,
thank you, yes, I understand. I will do my best, you may have to remind me, because I used to get yelled at if I did that. So then, just briefly, states 110. Can you show us the scratch on that?
Yes.
And then 111. Is that the same area with the scale?
Yes.
Okay. May I have one moment, Your Honor, with counsel?